Hey guys, welcome back to One Be at Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian, and in today's video I'll be talking about easy and inexpensive ways to upgrade your home in 2021. But before we get into the video, if you've been looking for a channel that's going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your home decor and lifestyle, then sis, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, hit that thumbs up, and also comment down below your thoughts on this video. And let's get into the intro.
At the end of your labor, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Don't you know?
Okay, so I have not done one of these videos, sit down videos, which I love very much, by the way. So I'm really excited about that. So inexpensive ways to upgrade your homes, and did I say easy ways as well? Number one, change something, change a color. Number one, change the colors of things. Let's say the colors of a vase. Earlier in my last video, I showed you guys how I changed a vase that was yellow, that literally sat down for a long time on this dining table, and I changed that vase to a black color. So I was able to change that vase from yellow to black, and that really gave me another look. Another way to do the color change is by changing your throw pillows. You know, I've been saying that I was going to change the entryway throw pillows. Usually I have white there, and for Christmas I decided to use green. Now I love those pillows, so I'm thinking what I can do is go to Etsy or Amazon or any of the stores and get a pillow cover. That way I'm still able to use the pillow for another day, but I can also change it. So maybe I can change this pillow from green to black by using a pillowcase. I've seen some really nice one on Etsy, so I think it's really gonna be cute. So those are ways to really bring color, change things, spray paint things, inexpensive ways. And honestly, the spray paint is really like $4.99 or $5, and it's really inexpensive. Number two, curtains. I would say to invest in window treatments. And sometimes when you're tired of the same ones, you can honestly have different ones that you can switch out, like different colors or even different textures that you want to experiment with. I know some people even try to use like warmer colors of curtains in the summertime, or then whites in the winter time. It depends. Well, I feel like changing up the window treatments are a really easy way for you to like bring up a really easy way for you to bring up a room. I remember in the guest room, the moment I put up a window treatment, everything changed, the whole vibe changed, and I'll be showing you guys that in a little bit. And then there's a lot of places that you can get inexpensive curtains. IKEA does it, Russ has it, even Home Goods has it. There's so many stores that you can go in, and obviously look out for sales to get those inexpensive ones as well. Those are really easy ways to switch up your little decor. Number three, bedspreads. Bed sheets. You guys, honestly, those things like can really change your room. I remember when I first started getting into decorating, I used to love to use gray bedspreads, and honestly, it's not because I loved gray so much. It was because I felt like gray was the closest thing to neutral, because I was scared to use white. But honestly, you will be surprised on how a white bed sets can honestly change a whole look. Or if you're even trying to go for that hotel luxe look, you guys, that will change. And honestly, it doesn't have to be white, it's just me, my personal preference. But just changing up the bedspread is going to give you that new look. I'm serious. Number four, coffee table books. These are really inexpensive ways to do it. Now, you guys have seen me go to like the thrift store and get like coffee table books, lots of it, and I've used it here, and you guys have seen. I will even show you a couple of ones that I got, and those coffee tables, they really make a big difference. You don't have to break your banks. And also, I saw one time on Etsy like a brand, like a supplier, I guess. Do they call those people like a seller? I don't know, the people that sell stuff on Etsy, right? I saw one of the stores, they had like, they usually, so basically they make books, like those designer books, but they do it with their own twist, and they're really inexpensive, like $20. Extra large is like $39.99 or something. I'll link and I'll also show you guys on screen the store that I'm talking about. You guys, I'm like, wow, this is really cool. So those are little ways to like bring in coffee table books and kind of use that to like decorate, and those are really easy way and inexpensive way to decorate. Number 5 easy way to decorate are cozy items, cozy accessories like your throw pillows, your blankets, your throw blankets, your throw pillows. Those are really easy cozy ways. Did I forget candles? Those are really inexpensive ways. Honestly, you can yeah, you can really get a really nice candle at Home Goods. I'll quickly show you guys this one that I've been using. I'm burning one right now. I don't know if you're able to see it. It smells really good, and it was $7.99. Oh, and this one was $12.99, and it's called sensational what is this called? And this is it smells really good. This is a really nice one, and it's pretty big, and it's $12.99. And even Ross carries those, and they carry, and you can see something like this at Ross for like $10. This is an easy way to decorate your home, and you know, you can even put it in a, I'll show you guys in a little tray here. Use that as a decoration, little cozy, burn some candles as your home. Those are little ways to like bring in that coziness into your home, and they are easy and inexpensive, honestly. I can testify of it. Another way to change up your home is if you have a I would say if you have a kitchen island. Yes, those are easy way to change up the look, because you can use trays for grouping items, you know, into groups, grouping items into groups, but you know what I mean. Use your trays to group some items that you like, some little knickknacks, put it on there. Even you can put lemons, oranges on the islands, just to change it up a little bit. Last week we did a video where I showed you guys how I decorate my kitchen island, and you can do so many things with the kitchen island. So I had, remember, if you watched the previous video, shameless plug, I showed you guys what I had before. I had this little vase that was really cute that I had earlier, and then I decided to go with this new one here that I like more. So those are easy way to honestly just change up. And this vase, this black vase, I got it for $49.99. It's $50. And this what do you call it? And this flower, I got it for $14.99 at Walmart, I think, or Michael's. I think it was Michael's. And it came, like, I really like this. It's really nice. I've reused it over and over again, and it's beautiful. Another easy way to decorate your home that's inexpensive is to decorate with crystals. I always, this is a new thing that has been, okay, it's not that new, maybe like in the next 2 to 3 years, people have been using these crystals. I'll show you guys. I got this one from Home Goods, and it was like $39. It's pretty inexpensive, but it makes a statement. So if you're into glam decor, this is perfect. Or if you're into glam, but you don't really like to do too much with glam, this is perfect for you. It's easy, you're not really doing anything, you're just making a statement. So that is a good one. And of course, we cannot forget like big plants. Like a plant that makes a statement, it's what you need. And you know, I've been saying that I need a plant for that entryway, and I really do. I just have been hunting for one. So if you guys know anywhere I can really get like those large, extra large plants, like even like for instance the bird of paradise one that I'm really into, please comment down below so I can get one, because I've been looking for a really nice one for my entryway, and I really don't want to buy anything that's not really gonna, you know, that's not really gonna work for my entryway. But I just have that what's this called, the palm one, the palm tree, the fake palm tree. And so I just have this fake palm tree there because I just don't know how or where. I mean, I probably could honestly research it, but I'm just skeptical. Like, I don't want to buy anything that I'm not gonna like, because I'm really not big on returning things. Like, I'd be so lazy. But let's get into it. But let's get back to it. But what I really wanted to say is that I just love plants that make statements, and I have one by the dining table here. I got it from Ward Market, and I really like it because it looks really real, but it really isn't real. And obviously you can get a large one, I mean a real one, from places like Lowe's or which other place, you know, which other place? Oh, is in my head. I just cannot remember it. But you know, those kind of places get like a live plant if you want. But right now I'm still on the fake plants. But right now I'm still on the faux plants kind of business because my kids are everywhere. If I put a real plant, they'll be digging into it. So I'm staying away from that for right now. But I would really like to get a real one. So those are other ways to decorate, and I'm not gonna say that it's easy. I would not say that it's inexpensive. There are inexpensive plants, but when you're going with like full plants, you guys, you have to like get something real, because not real. You have to get something that looks realistic, because those things can be looking plasticky, and you don't want that. Like, I'm just saying, you don't want that. So yeah, definitely get the faux plants or the real plants, whichever one is your preference, and it will honestly bring the place back to life. It would bring this pop of color into a place, and you will not even understand why. Okay, you will not understand why. I would also say another easy way to decorate, but it's not inexpensive, I would say, is wall mirrors, wall standing mirrors. I feel like those really make a big statement, and they're really easy. You just go to the store, you dump it there, you don't do anything else. It's easy. And I feel like mirrors honestly make a space look bigger, and it brings a little bit of let's say glam and lux to a room or to a place. So I definitely would say mirrors are easy ways to decorate. And that's really it. So those are easy things that you can honestly just bring into the house or change into the house. And a lot of times when I say even little when I say little upgrade, sometimes you can move a mirror from your entryway to your room. Just whatever works for you. If you're not really feeling that mirror anymore, move it to. There are so many times that I've moved items in different places because I thought, oh, this looks better here. In fact, like I told you earlier, you guys, in my last video, this vase here was sitting on the dining table, and I felt like it worked better because of the pampas grass, and I made a change. Like, literally move things to where you want, and you would just be surprised how moving an item will really change a place, because sometimes we have an idea of how we want to decorate and how the things are going to come out, but when we do it doesn't come out like that. So it's fine. It's decorating is supposed to be something that is fun, something that is experimental. So just change it up and, you know, find somewhere that fits that place. You know, you never know. So that's really it. I feel like this has I feel like that is, I feel like we've come to an end to this video, but if you have any other easy and inexpensive things for people to do to basically get that home decor upgrade in their home, then comment down below, and I would definitely comment down below so other people can check it out and, you know, make their home even look more beautiful. Guys, thank you guys so much for listening in on today's video. It's a sit down, but I'll try to get some clips in here for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll